Welcome to our product video introducing the new Flame Shield Grill and Fire Pit Mats. This product features a molded nitrile rubber surface that provides a heat-resistant underlay beneath your outdoor fire pit or under your gas or charcoal grill. The premium nitrile rubber will not fade, mildew, or mold, and the permanently molded design will not crush or break down over time, and includes a 20% recycled content. Protect your grilling area or outdoor fire pit from heat, stains, spills, and spatters. The Flame Shield Grill and Fire Pit Mat is certified flame resistant up to 600 degrees and passes the federal Flammability DOC FF170. The Flame Shield Grill and Fire Pit Mats are recommended at outdoor fire pits or gas or charcoal grills. The nitrile rubber material is quick and easy to clean. Simply hose clean and hang dry. For tough to clean areas, a mild detergent or scrub brush can be used. The Flame Shield Grill and Fire Pit Mat is offered in 3 sizes, 30 inch by 45 inch, 35 inch square, and 35 inch round.